Course. Well, he popped out. Man, I haven't had a coyote action like that in a while. Luckily, I got my Tactacam FTS with me. Looks like it's rolling. Yeah, it's rolling, so at least I got it on that one. Sweet, coyote down. I'd like to thank Reese Outdoors Search Predator Packs for helping me bring everything in I needed without overloading my backpack. This coyote was actually headed towards my downwind. He didn't know I was there. I didn't do any calling. He just showed up in the area. But with me shuffling around, it was heading into the downwind, so I took a shot at it in the slough. You could see by the FTS footage there that I was pretty shaky, so I'm pretty sure I shot over it. I just gave it a few minutes and it ended up popping up back over here on this side of the fence and down this coyote trail, and I got a solid rested shot on it. There you go, nice coyote down.